Okay, so I have this Audi Q5. Came in for no activity on the driver's door. So as you can see, I removed the covers, the door cover, couple T20 bolts, and pop that off. Came here to test. This is the door module. This is the power on ground. Brown is ground, red and purple is power. Realize that there is no power on this wire, so trace it from my fuse. Fuse is right there. Back to here. Got power all the way up to here. Got power up to connector right here. But guess what? Red and purple power wire is dead. So I'm gonna repair that and then check my module again to see if everything is okay. But for now, that's it. Alright, so this is the repair. It's not the best, but I'm gonna connect it and test it. And if you're not sure how to remove this, what you can do is just get something and just lift it, pop it up, and then you can just move this back. And then this part, you just get something and just pry this out, and it'll be good. Alright, so now that we're reconnected, you can check window functions. Check the mirror. So we're okay. So in order to remove the door cover, this was right here. So you pop this part up and then you slide it forward and lift it off. And this piece now, this piece, you just use something to pop it from below, right there, and take it off. Then you have a couple T25 screws to remove, and then pop the door cover and lift it, and then you'll have access.